Hey everyone, this came in the mail today. My Pop On Veneers. I'm actually nervous because I didn't see any bad reviews. I looked at all reviews before ordering them, and I ordered them because I'm about to have dental work done, but I have a chipped tooth that I want covered while my dental work is in progress. So, Lord, let me try these. They come with all the cute little stuff. Toothbrush. There's my mold. It's a little bag and, you know, a little info. And let me see. Cleaning tablets. So, like I said, I didn't see a bad review on any of these that I looked at. So, it made me, oh, that is cute. It comes with the little mirror. So, I'm actually going to use the mirror. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my God. I'm so nervous because I don't know how these are gonna go. Okay, we start with bottom. I ordered top and bottom. Even though it was a chip, I didn't want, my teeth to be different or whatever. So I just ordered tops and bottoms. So, let's go. Okay. It clicked in. Hold on. For the finale. Oh, wow. Y'all see? Oh, wow. And I got natural white. I didn't want Hollywood white. Okay. They feel comfortable. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I like those. They are very comfortable. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, my God. I am a satisfied customer. Very satisfied customer. Oh, my God. They look natural. OMG. Oh, my God. Chip is gone. Wow. Wow. I love them.